Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn and Chill English. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sam. It's great to see you again. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and join our English learning family.
Today's lesson is really practical. We're going to learn how to talk in English when you visit a hospital or clinic.
Exactly. It can be stressful to go to the doctor, especially in another country. But if you know the right words and phrases, it becomes much easier.
We'll learn how to describe how you feel, talk to the doctor or nurse, and understand common questions they might ask you.
Let's start with some useful vocabulary. When you feel bad, you can say, I don't feel well. I feel sick. I have a headache. I have a stomach ache. I have a fever. I have a sore throat.
Those are very common. Let's practice. Repeat after us. I don't feel well. I have a headache. I have a sore throat.
Good job.
If you have pain in a specific part of your body, you can say, my head hurts, my stomach hurts, my back hurts, my arm hurts.
Or you can say, I have pain in my leg, or I have pain in my back.
Now, when you arrive at the hospital or clinic, you usually talk to a receptionist first. You can say, I need to see a doctor. I have an appointment. I don't have an appointment, but I feel sick. Can I see a doctor today?
The receptionist might ask, what's your name? Do you have health insurance? What's the problem? Please wait in the waiting area.
Let's practice a short conversation.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I'd like to see a doctor, please.
Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't.
What's the problem?
I have a fever and a sore throat.
Okay, please wait a few minutes.
Thank you.
Perfect. That's exactly how it sounds in real life.
Now let's move on to talking to the doctor. The doctor might ask you some of these questions. What seems to be the problem? How long have you felt this way? Do you have any allergies? Are you taking any medicine?
You can answer like this. I have a headache and a fever. I've felt sick for 2 days. I'm allergic to penicillin. I'm not taking any medicine.
Let's practice one together. What seems to be the problem?
I have a bad cough and a sore throat.
How long have you had it?
For 3 days.
All right, I'll check your temperature.
That's a natural and polite way to talk to a doctor in English.
Now, let's learn how to describe your symptoms more clearly. You can say things like, I feel dizzy. I feel weak. I can't sleep. I'm coughing a lot. I have trouble breathing. My nose is blocked. I feel tired all the time.
Good examples. And if you feel better, you can say, I feel better today. My headache is gone. I don't have a fever anymore.
Let's try a few together. Repeat after us. I feel dizzy. I have a cough. My back hurts. I feel better today.
Nice job! These are exactly the kinds of sentences you'll use when you see a doctor. Sometimes, the doctor will give you instructions. They might say, take this medicine 3 times a day. Drink a lot of water. Get some rest. You need to stay at home. Come back in a week.
You can respond with, okay, thank you. No problem. I understand. Should I take it with food? Can I go to work tomorrow?
Let's do a short conversation example.
You need to take this medicine twice a day.
Should I take it before or after meals?
After meals, and drink a lot of water.
Okay, thank you, doctor. That's it. Clear, polite, and easy.
Now, let's talk about emergencies. If something serious happens, you can say, I need a doctor. Call an ambulance. It's an emergency. I need help. Someone is hurt.
And if you're calling emergency services, you might say, there's been an accident. Someone fainted. Please hurry. We're at Main Street, number 45.
Let's do a short emergency dialogue.
Hello? What's your emergency?
There's been an accident. Someone is hurt.
What's the address?
Central Park, near the entrance.
Okay, help is on the way.
It's scary, but knowing how to speak in English in those moments can be very helpful.
When you leave the hospital, you might hear, here's your prescription. Take care of yourself. Get well soon. You can go home now.
And you can say, "Thank you, doctor. I appreciate your help. Have a nice day."
Let's do one last quick conversation.
You can go home now. Just rest and take your medicine.
Thank you very much, doctor.
You're welcome. Feel better soon. Simple and friendly.
All right, let's review everything we learned today.
We talked about how to describe your symptoms, speak with the receptionist, talk to the doctor, and understand medical instructions.
You also learned how to handle emergencies and respond politely in different situations.
Let's practice one last time. Repeat after me. I don't feel well. I have a fever. My back hurts. Can I see a doctor, please? I feel better today.
Excellent work.
Tell us in the comments, have you ever visited a hospital in another country? What did you say in English?
We'd love to know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more people can learn English with us.
Thanks for watching Learn and Chill English. See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.